We'll guide you through how to live stream on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Live streaming can be a great way of engaging with your audience and growing it. To get started, make sure you verified your channel with your phone number. To do that, press your profile icon in the top right, go to your studio and go to your settings and you can verify it there. Then what you need to do is press create in the top right and press go live. You'll need to go and request access before going live and there's a time period you have to wait. Now, what you can do is you can come over to the left, press stream if you want to use streaming software, or you can go and press webcam and stream with your webcam. In this case, I'll use streaming software. Come into your stream settings and you can grab your key and open up your software of choice. Personally, I use OBS. We've got a full guide on how this can be used. Open your settings, press stream to the left, and you can select YouTube at the top. You can then connect your account or just go and use your stream key and you can add it. I've already have and press OK. Before we press start streaming, you can press edit and edit the title and the other settings. Then you can press start streaming and the stream should then start coming through as you can see.